This video goes over how to change the display language in your Google Ads account. You might need to change your display language if you mistakenly select the wrong language when you create a new account, or if you take on a previous account that was already made by someone else who uses a different language than you use. First, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. For this video, please start at ads.google.com. Make sure you're at Admin on the left side of the screen and select Preferences. On the Preferences page, you'll see the display language listed here. Click this drop-down. Where you see English here, you can click the drop-down and you'll see a large selection of options to choose from. Once you select the language that you're looking for, click Save and your Google Ads account will update to the language that you selected. And that is all for this video. Thank you for watching.